Both are the nitro compounds and these are RNO2 and the functional group here is NO2. Now one mistake that most of us do here is when we look at NO2, then we tend to make double bond of oxygen with that of nitrogen. So how we are going to represent nitro compound is RNO2. So this is alkyl group, this is nitro group. Now your nitrogen has two oxygen. And the tendency that most of us have is we will form double bonds whenever we are seeing oxygen. So what we will do is, so you also see how you will write this structure. What you will do is you will put double bond O. But this is a wrong structure. Your nitrogen can never have a pentavalency. That it can never form 5 bonds. It's impossible for nitrogen to form 5 bonds. So this is an incorrect structure and it is impossible for nitrogen to form 5 bonds. Now you might be wondering how am I going to make this structure? So I'll tell you that. So how we are going to make it? You have alkyl group, then you have nitrogen. So your one oxygen will form a double bond and your other oxygen here it will have negative charge and your nitrogen will have a positive charge. So overall this will be forming 3 kinds of bond and here its valency is completed. It will just need 3 more bonds. So with positive charge 1 electron will be compensated. And your oxygen it has a tendency to form 2 bonds. So one of the valence is satisfied from here and other by the presence of this negative charge. And for nitrogen, if we look at nitrogen, then it will form 3 bonds. So basically what you have to do here is it is forming 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds. So it will form 3 means here there is a positive charge. So overall it will be considered as 3 bonds. For this to understand, we have to see what is the electronic configuration of nitrogen and why it can't expand is its octet. It will just need 3 more electrons to complete its octet. So this is very important thing about nitro compounds is its structure will be N double bond O, there will be positive charge on this nitrogen and your oxygen will have a negative charge. So these are the nitro compounds.